recently, I just had an orthodontist appointment to get my bottom braces on. See? And the thing is that same day, I asked my parents to write a note so I can give it to my school office, letting them know that, well, I'm leaving early and this is why I'm missing my next couple of classes. So when I went to go give them the note, they didn't seem too pleased with me, and I didn't really know why. It wasn't until the next day when I understood. They sent my dad a lengthy email saying, hey, from now on with parents, we want to communicate by email. So if you need to report your student tardy, you're picking them up early, they're going to be absent, or any doctor notes, just send them by email. And in the very last of the email, they said, save a tree and take time to write an email. And I'm happy about this. My school is taking extra measures to try and protect a tree. And the thing is that this could work for other types of things, like saying that your student's going to be picked up early, that they're tardy, that they're absent. But I don't think it's necessarily going to work for doctor notes, because when I went to the orthodontist and I asked them, hey, can I have a school excuse? They gave me a piece of paper. So now my dad has to now scan this piece of paper, put it in the email, draft the email, then send the email. And in that way, we didn't really save a tree. We just changed who was going to throw it away. Instead of my school office throwing it away, it's going to be my parents that's throwing it away. So we didn't necessarily save a tree in that process. So here is where my unique thought comes into play. Likewise, doctors have referrals to other doctors. You just click it and the referral is sent to them. Why can't we have the same system for schools? Like, oh, what's your school? Okay, right here, select it. It's sent to the school. They know that this is your doctor's note. And that way, we're actually saving a tree. Because this has taught us an important message that if we want to try and be more sustainable, then it can't be an individual effort, or else we're not really doing anything impactful on the local level or on the higher level. Teamwork makes the dream work. We all have to collaborate together to be more sustainable. Let me know what you think about this. And if you haven't guessed it already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So if I could get my unique thought by a doctor's note, then you could too. So keep your eyes and your mind wide open. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.